Hello everyone, welcome to Fitness Size. This is dietitian Shraddha. As we all are going through this pandemic, it is very important for every one of us to boost our immune system, to be healthy and fit. So in this video, I'm going to talk about why it is important to choose healthy plate and how to control your portion sizes. So let's have a look. So a surprising amount of people think that they eat healthy, but in reality they don't, and they end up doing overeating. So to stop this overeating, here I am going to show you how to practice portion control and how to balance your meals. So include 5 food groups like vegetables, fruits, grains, protein and dairy. Each section of the plate has its unique and delicious food choices. So first, divide your plate into half. Fill half of your plate with vegetables and fruits, 1/4 quarter of your plate with good quality protein, 1/4 quarter of your plate with complex carbohydrates, plus a small serving of healthy fat. So this is how your portion control plate will look alike. So a healthy plate is a way to control your portion size. This also helps in balancing your meals. So what is balanced meal? A balanced meal provides all the nutrients your body needs without over consuming calories. So let's have a look at each section of the plate. So vegetables and fruits. Boost variety. Eat as many colors as you can. This ensures that the body receives optimum amount of fiber, nutrients like vitamins, minerals and antioxidant in right amounts. The greater the variety, the better you eat. Choose more from dark green vegetables as they are rich source of beta carotene and also prevents from atherosclerosis and reduces the risk of heart disease. So you can include raw and steamed vegetables. You can have in the form of vegetable salad. You can also add few drops of olive oil or sprinkle flax seeds and pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds to make it more nutritious. This will also provide you with healthy fats. So next, fruits. Fruits are high in antioxidant, vitamins and minerals and low in calories. Most fruits are naturally low in fat, sodium and calories. So basically it will also help you in weight management. So instead of opting for canned fruit juices, you can prefer seasonal fruits. So basically, eat your rainbow. So next section of the plate includes grains. Grains are important part of our diet. So avoid refined carbohydrates, as refined carbohydrates or simple carbohydrates contains no fiber and nutrients, so lack of fiber is difficult to digest and it can upset your regular bowel movements, causing constipation and other digestive problems. So choose from whole grains. Whole grains are packed with nutrients including protein, B vitamins, trace minerals and most important dietary fiber. So sources include wheat, brown rice, rolled oats, quinoa, barley, buckwheat, millet and sorghum. So grains are good for health. So next section of the plate includes protein. Protein is an important building block of bones, muscles, cartilage and skin. It also helps in repair of the tissue. If you are vegetarian, you can opt for soybean, lentil, chickpeas, green peas, Greek yogurt, milk, cottage cheese, nuts and seeds. If you are non-vegetarian, you can opt for chicken, lean meat, egg and fish. Next section of the plate includes dairy. Focus on calcium. Calcium strengthens your bone and teeth, reduces your risk of osteoporosis. So sources include milk, cheese, yogurt, cottage cheese. So choose from low-fat or fat-free dairy products over full-fat dairy products to maintain healthy weight. Fats and oils. Oils and fats supplies calories and essential fats. It also helps your body absorb fat-soluble vitamins like vitamin A, D, E and K. Replacing foods high in saturated fats with alternatives higher in MUFA and PUFA tends to improve blood cholesterol levels. One should be consuming half liter of oil per month. Avoid trans fats, as trans fat raises your bad cholesterol and lowers your good cholesterol levels. A diet with trans fats increases the risk of heart disease, so choose for healthier oils. Now next section includes water. Water carries nutrients and oxygen to all cells in the body, and also it helps regulates your body temperature. So major source of added sugar and calories should be avoided. Cut calories by drinking water or unsweetened beverages. So every time you eat is an opportunity to nourish yourself. So basically, it's like you are what you eat.